Hello, investors and traders. I'm AJ Monte. This is a special midday report. It's a report that I've never put out before. I made an attempt to go live on X and then found that there's no video capability to do that. But I just wanted to point something out. Something very unusual just occurred at 11 o'clock this morning, just about 15 minutes ago. We saw this big 1 minute spike in the price action in the Dow, the Russell, the Qs, and right through to the SPX. And it was a 1 minute rally on very high volume. And then for the minute after that, right around 11:01, we saw a slight follow through, and then the market just tanked. It looks like there was some sort of a program buy that came in. You see it happened here on IWM, same thing, big volume spike. We saw it happen on the Qs, right across the board, big volume spike there, and then the sell-off. And the SPX, through the SPY, I was watching SPY, you could see that bounce occurred. I've never seen that happen. It looks almost as though someone made a mistake and hit the buy button across the board and then went, oops, and now they're selling out of it. So it sold right out. I don't know what exactly that is. I'll report more on that at the end of the day when I do my weekly market report. So stay tuned. Just want to point that out to you. This is going out as a special alert midday. Have a good rest of the day, and I'll talk to you later. So long.